This house is located at 13350 South Bryant Avenue in Edmond, Oklahoma. It has 3,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, with an oversized 3-car attached garage and a 28-foot pad for a boat or RV. It's located on a 2.5-acre corner lot near Bryant and Simmons with easy access to I-35. This home was built in 2012 and has several upgrades. The seller is motivated and will pay $10,000 towards closing costs or additional upgrades. With an open floor plan, open kitchen, and huge granite countertops. The living room has a see-through glass fireplace. The kitchen has 2 stoves with convection option and warming trays, 2 microwaves, and 3 pantries. This home comes with an indoor safe room as well as an emergency generator and tankless water heater. This is a unique one-of-a-kind custom-built home